Bullish Reef money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Reef could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Reef money market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Reef money presentation. This video is exclusively founded on cutting-edge specialized examination, while additional understanding into the eventual fate of Reef money was given from calculation stages to cost conjectures. There are numerous hypotheses that a ton of coins will not endure this bear market and some could come to the opposite end. However, could Reef back be among the exceptions? What are the future possibilities and how might we approve its cost activity? What is Reef money? Reef money is a Layer 1 blockchain coordinated convention that was worked to act as a connector for DeFi and NFT clients, subsequently facilitating their development starting with one organization then onto the next. It was likewise made because of the significant expense of exchanges of the Ethereum organization to go about as a superior elective that gives a consistent encounter to clients. They constructed Reef with substrate structure, an organization that holds back nothing and offers lower exchange expenses and organization security, to have a firm ground in digital currency improvement when Ethereum coordinated DeFi conventions bother with cost charges. The detriments of being a developing venture on Ethereum are so many due to the clog in the organization. However, the commitment of the union cases that the expense would be decreased significantly. Reef Finance, which was established in 2019 by Denko Manchesky, an ex-prime supporter of Vuli from Macedonia, represents solid, extensible, productive, and quick blockchain. The entrance it gives across all chains incorporates Universe, Torrential Slide, Binance Shrewd Chain, and so forth. Reef is an exceptionally one-of-a-kind blockchain item since it gives a component that numerous conventions don't have, which is the capacity for a Reef client to deal with multi-chain tasks from across networks at a lower cost. This particularly helps fledglings in effectively exploring starting with one organization exchange then on to the next, as expressed by the chief Denko Manchesky. Reef Money Token. Reef Token is a utility token for Reef Finance that gives to its clients an option to organize administration and furthermore fills in as a token for multi-chain exchanges. The token is supported by top funding and firms like TRG Capital, Dynamic Capital, Bitcoin.com, LD Capital, NGC, thus numerous different financial backers. It's a tradable resource that is functional on Binance Savvy Chain and Ethereum. It's an ERC20 token, however, can now be changed over one-to-one on Reef. The advantages of being a resource holder incorporate independence to direction and administration of the convention, support and remuneration frameworks, clarity to perform on-chain and multi-chain exchanges, and so on. Reef token activity incorporates both confirmation of idea and named verification of stake agreement instruments. Uses of Reef. Reef money has a great many applications in view of elements permit the clients to coordinate it into different organizations. They incorporate. It can be utilized for better and savvy dynamic on-chain for DeFi brilliant agreements in view of its man-made reasoning customized shrewd motor. This knowledge motor is additionally a profit information authority from many chains to such an extent that Reef clients are fully informed regarding the full organization exercises as they occur. The simulated intelligence motor additionally helps in resources proposals and the board, which helps the client in better capital designation. Reef goes about as a door for financial backers, the two novices, and high-level clients, as it attempts to work on the organization exchange processes. Its brilliant yield cultivating aggregator assists with marking, loaning, cultivating, and other convention exercises. Reef money current cost. Reef money is at present worth $0. Reef has moved 2.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $75,061,604. Reef money is at present positioned 195 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $110,737,102 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Reef money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Reef money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Reef money value forecast 2022. Reef money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Reef cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Reef is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Reef money value expectation 2023. In 2023, Reef money Reef cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Reef will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Reef's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Reef will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Reef Money Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Reef might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Reef is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Reef Money Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Reef Money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Reef coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Reef will be green in 2025. The Reef is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Reef Money Value Forecast 2026. After some broad guanching and specialized investigation, we gauge the Reef cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Reef has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Reef Money Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Reef figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Reef needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Reef Money Value Expectation 2028. While Reef is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2028. Reef Money Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Reef Money will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Reef Money Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Reef cost in 2030 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. What is the Reef Money cost today? Today, Reef Money is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $110,737,102. Is Reef Money a wise speculation? Reef Money ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Reef is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Reef back go? The typical cost of Reef Money might